What's going on, folks? Beautiful rainy day. I decided to just install my Livernoise tune 93 octane performance tune. Now currently I'm running Livernoise also 97 octane, so I want to show you how to install 93, right? So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just take your Livernoise tuner, connect your wires to OBD. Now all set, it's connected. Now it says Livernoise. You're gonna check your serial numbers and everything is fine. You gotta do start tuning. So before tuning that, if you're running anything less than 93 or 91 octane and you're putting 93 or 91 octane gas, you have to finish your tank, like lower octane tank, and you put the 93 gas, run that almost a full tank, run that, finish it. After finish, you fill it up and you have to tune it. You can't tune just whatever is the gas you have. It's highly suggested from the Livernoise, so you gotta do that. So now please turn your ignition keys off and press yes. So you're gonna just press yes. Now it's turning key on. So let me see, we're gonna do this way. So do not start. The first thing you're gonna do, just open up, turn off all your electronics, the musics, the lights, windows, everything's closed, and you're gonna start, turn on and press OK. Communicating with the vehicle, it's gonna take a little time. No codes. If you have any check engine codes, it's gonna show it here. So you're gonna press yes, and now it's going only custom tunes available. Yeah, some reasons my screen shows like horrible. You're gonna see exactly the same way. You press OK again. Now it's communicating. So now this is a stage 1 performance tune. So you gotta scroll here. Stock tune 93 stage 3. Sport pedals, I have 91 is a soft pedals. In 93 I have 97 like toe. This is a stock, this is sport pedals. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna press yes. You're gonna confirm it. You choose like sport pedals, all that stuff. Please wait. So now you're gonna just turn your key to the off position. Do so and press yes. Turn key to the on position. Do not run. You just turn on accessories and press yes. So you see all these traction controls, everything's gonna be shuts off, and it's gonna make a lot of different kind of noises. Wow, you can. That's totally normal. So now it's like a 3-4%. It's gonna take a little time. So I believe like 7 minutes you're gonna finish everything. Even the 5 minutes, if you know steps, just yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, and that's it. Fast forward from here. Actually, key's on now, but everything shuts off. You see screen, everything's like dead. But my key is on position now. from stock to performance, it's gonna be little more time. From any performance tune to another performance tune, it's gonna be like this fast, like 2 minutes finish up. All right, 100%. See that? Blind spot, cross traffic alert. So now it says what? Press yes. For what? Please turn key off. So we're gonna turn off and yes. Turn the key to the on. Now it's gonna read all the codes. It sits right, perfect. That's it. Congrats, you have a new performance tune on the car. What I'm gonna do from here, I'm gonna turn off the car. Now you can just unplug your OBD from the bottom, disconnect it, you take it off the key, right? Everything's working, light is on. So what you're gonna do, you just open the doors so everything shuts off, right? You close the door, make sure it's like a car, it resets, and you put the key and start the engine. There you go. That's the cold start. I'm getting what, 13.5 average drive, and we'll see what the gas mileage and performance. I'm gonna run later on 0 to 60, all that stuff. This is my scan gauge, this, and you can read the more informations, right? But yeah, I purchased the scan gauge, so it's a lot of different sensors, temperatures, boost, everything you can run here. So I'm gonna connect this scan gauge back, and now it's like your performance tune is learning position, right? It learns how you drive. If you drive slow, like hypermiling, the pedals, it's gonna be adjust to that. If you're driving like aggressively, your pedals and your response is gonna be very aggressive. So try to drive first 50 miles like a little bit aggressive, right? Push, throttle, and you drive like normal but a little aggressive, so it's gonna learn how you drive. That's case, as soon as you put your pedals, the gas, it's gonna run crazy. So I've run before, but we're gonna see how it will perform. Thank you guys for watching. My impressions is going on, but just after tune, right? Look at this, third gear. I'm gonna hit the throttle. It didn't drop for the second gear. It was in the third gear, and my rear tires was spinning like crazy. Shit, bro, listen to me. If you have a $650 now to spend, just spend it to get it. You're gonna smile like me every day. Every day when you're driving your pickup truck, F150, right? That's crazy, like a sport car. It's never happened before with my stock tune, or it never ever gonna happen this like with your stock tune. I'm laughing a lot today, but yeah, I'm feeling very great. The tune is good. Excellent job, Livernoise. Thumbs up, guys, for you, and get with yourself. I'm gonna do the 0 to 60 runs later on, but now I'm just enjoying. You can do burnouts on this car like left and right every day, anytime. That's amazing. This is fucking dangerous, guys. This is dangerous. It's really dangerous. It's in the third gear. You're just driving your car, right? Third gear. hit the throttle, your fishtail is right away. This is not for the kids. You have to. Yeah, I had before. That's why I'm always running performance tunes at the summertime. The wintertime, I'm putting it down, you know, the stock, or not the stock, like stage 1 87. I'm saving on the gas also, you know. I'm putting the regular gas and driving like nicely. But this tune at the wintertime is dangerous, guys. You just hit the throttle. Look, it's the third gear, right? Oh shit! Actually, now for some reason put down gear for the second gear. But yeah, it is what it is, guys. Enjoy your F150 if you guys bought that. You know, the beast. Oh, that's it. Enough for today. My cheeks is paining already. I was laughing all this way coming. Hit the throttle, fishtail. That's the best $650 I ever spent, guys. I spent a lot of money for the, you know, all the other cars and but this is the best money I spent so far.